start, that is notice writing. Now let's see what is a notice. A notice is a short written composition which is direct, formal and straightforward in style. It is written to give necessary information about events, functions and celebrations to the concerned person. It is also written by individuals and organizations to extend invitations and make appeals. It is generally written in simple, lucid and informative style. Most of the notices are pasted on the notice board meant for the purpose. A notice should convey bare facts in an intelligible manner. In schools, a notice is also used to give instructions or warnings to the students. A notice should contain the following. Number 1. Name of the institution, association or society on the top, date of the issuing of the notice, heading, subject, day, date, time, place, program in case of an event, signature, name and designation of the issuing authority. Now marking scheme of a notice. Format, 2 marks. The format should include the word notice, title, heading, date, writer's name and designation. The candidate should not be penalized if he has used capital letters for writing a notice within or without a box. Content and expression, 2 marks. Suggested value points include what is about to happen, when it will happen, where it will happen, who can take part, how to apply, where to apply. The expression also includes grammatical accuracy, spellings and suitable style. Now let's start with the format of the notice. The most important thing, format of a notice. Name of the organization, date, notice in capital, heading in capital. Then we have the content, that is date, time and venue. Then we have signature, name and designation. Now once again, name of the organization, that means the organization who issues the notice. For example, the school is writing a notice, then it should be the school name, like Navy Children's School, Port Blair. Date, the date when the notice is written. Notice in capital, heading. For example, the school is organizing a drama competition or a painting competition. So here we will write drama competition or painting competition. The content. The content is very important. It should include the date. Now this date and this date is different. Here the date is when the activity will be conducted. The time, you need to mention the time also, the stipulated time, and the venue. Venue is place where it will be conducted, like school, hall, activity, wherever it will be conducted, you have to mention that also. Now comes the signature. Signature of the concerned person who writes the notice, his name, his or her name, then the designation. The designation means here the post which he is being given with. For example, it can be head boy, head girl, cultural secretary, sports in charge, or English teacher or HOD, whosoever it is. Now a very important part which comes is, on the right hand side you can see that it is written SD by. This is an optional part. For example, if a notice is being written on behalf of the principal, for example, the principal gives a duty that I have to write a notice to inform the students that there will be a activity, maybe a drama competition. I will write the notice for the information, for giving the information to the students. I will write my name here. I will go for the signature and my designation, that is PGT English. But I should mention here that is signed by principal. That means the notice is written on behalf of the principal. So you need to be very careful that whether on behalf is there in the question or not.